Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a quick Goan recipe with you. It's called chicken Cafreal and this is originally a Portuguese recipe. So when Portuguese were living in Goa, Goans adopted that recipe and it's a very popular recipe because Goa is one of the most popular tourist locations in India. So most of us Indians go to Goa at least once a year and try to eat this dish. I tried easy and quick recipes. This is one of those, so I am hoping you guys will like it, and if you do, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell to be notified every time that I add a new recipe. Also leave me a comment if you try the recipe and you like it. So let's go ahead and see how I make it.
Let's start making the masala first. I have about half a bunch of coriander or cilantro here, which I have put in the blender jar, which I'm adding 5 to 6 green chilies, and these are the non-spicy variety. You can add as many as you like. If you want to cut it down, you can. This is about 2 tablespoons of garlic, so about 15 to 20 cloves. About 1 tablespoon of ginger again, so about 1 inch, but a thick slice. 1 bay leaf or 2 small bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of clove, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. You want to put everything in the blender and a little bit of water, and we're going to blend the whole thing together. This is 1 kg of chicken, to which I've added 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm putting all of my blended masala or the marinade, and I'm going to marinate this for 2 to 4 hours, but at least 2 hours in the refrigerator. One ingredient that I forgot to add was lemon juice. So this is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm going to mix everything together really well and cover this, and this goes into the fridge. Now it's been 2 hours. I have a pan heating. I have added 1.5 tablespoon of ghee, and I'm adding all the chicken pieces to the pan. I have taken a non-stick pan, and this is the safe kind. I'm going to leave the link in the description if you guys are interested. I've taken a non-stick pan because we are not making a curry here. I want to sort of fry, but at the same time have the chicken cooked. So you don't want it to stick to the pan because you don't have any liquids. So this is an ideal pan for that. I have placed all of my chicken, and I had a visitor in the meanwhile. So the pan cooled down completely, and you can see there's some water that has come out of the chicken. So I'm going to put it on a larger burner, and we're going to wait till it browns. So you don't want to move it around too much and turn them around. The other thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to cook the chicken breast for about 1 or 2 minutes on each side. Once they're brown, I'm going to take them out of the pan, which is what I've done here. Now you want to let this brown on the other side too, so I'm not moving it too much, and once I know that it's brown, I'm going to turn this over. All my pieces look brown. I am turning them as they get brown, and you can see it's got a beautiful color. I've added half a tablespoon of ghee here. I'm adding the rest of my marinade, and I'm going to let that marinade cook a bit. So you're not looking for a fresh green color or anything like that. Dark green is the signature color of chicken Cafreal. If your chicken hasn't cooked at this point, you want to add a little bit of water and let it cook in an open pan. So you don't want to cover it up. Now that everything is cooked, I'm adding a few onion rings here, and we're going to also add our chicken breast. So I've added my chicken breast that I had taken out of the pan, and a couple of potatoes because my husband likes potatoes. So we're going to add the potatoes, mix this up, and the last thing I'm going to add is some fresh green chilies because these are the non-spicy variety, like I said, and I like to eat them along with the chicken, and some onions definitely. So last but not the least, taste your chicken. I'm going to adjust the seasoning. So I've added another like 1/4 teaspoon of salt or so. I didn't add too much salt in the beginning. Look, my dish is ready. For some reason I didn't get the most beautiful pictures, but here they are.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching the recipe and will give it a try, and let me know in the comment section if you do. Thanks for watching. Bye.